Thank you for visiting our channel. By watching this video, you improve your language skills, listening, pronunciation.
Grammar. The focus of this lesson is on how to use imperative sentences SST.
Harap tenang. Harap tenang.
Be quiet. Be quiet. Imperative sentences can be expressed in two ways, either in a humble way or a direct way. For the humble way, it is always preceded by the word
Mohon. Mohon.
or please, as illustrated in the following model. Mohon plus verb plus complement. Please plus verb plus complement.
Mohon berdiri. Mohon berdiri.
Please stand up. Please stand up.
Mohon siapkan uang pas. Mohon siapkan uang pas.
Please prepare the exact fare. Please prepare the exact fare.
Mohon periksa tagihan Anda secara berkala. Mohon periksa tagihan Anda secara berkala.
Please check your bill regularly. Please check your bill regularly.
Mohon mengembalikan buku ini sebelum batas waktunya. Mohon mengembalikan buku ini sebelum batas waktunya.
Please return this book before its due date. Please return this book before its due date.
Mohon membuang sampah pada tempat sampah. Mohon membuang sampah pada tempat sampah.
Please throw garbage in the waste bin. Please throw garbage in the waste bin.
Mohon periksa kembali barang bawaan Anda sebelum meninggalkan bis. Mohon periksa kembali barang bawaan Anda sebelum meninggalkan bis.
Please mind your own belongings before leaving this bus. Please mind your own belongings before leaving this bus. For the direct way, the sentence usually uses either a verb in its bare form or a verb with the suffix "-can" added, as shown in the following model.
Diam kamu. Diam kamu.
Shut up. Shut up.
Pergi kamu. Pergi kamu.
Go away. Go away.
Bantu dia. Bantu dia.
Help her. Help her.
Cari dia. Cari dia.
Find him. Find him.
Antar dia pulang. Antar dia pulang.
Take her home. Take her home.
Bawa koper ini. Bawa koper ini.
Bring this suitcase. Bring this suitcase.
Lacak komputernya. Lacak komputernya.
Trace his computer. Trace his computer.
Bersihkan meja ini. Bersihkan meja ini.
Clean up this table. Clean up this table.
Berikan anjing ini makan 3 kali sehari. Berikan anjing ini makan 3 kali sehari.
Feed the dog 3 times a day. Feed the dog 3 times a day. Besides the two types above, there is a special form which is harap plus adjective, to be plus adjective.
Harap sopan. Harap sopan.
Be polite. Be polite.
Harap hati-hati. Harap hati-hati.
Be careful. Be careful.
Harap tenang. Harap tenang.
Be silent. Be silent. Cultural insight. Jakarta Cathedral. Jakarta Cathedral is a Roman Catholic cathedral located in central Jakarta, Indonesia. First built in 1829, the cathedral has undergone some renovations, with the latest in 2002. The cathedral got its official name from the Dutch during the influence of the French Empire of Napoleon Bonaparte in the East Indies, the previous name of Indonesia. The English name of this cathedral is the Church of Our Lady of Assumption. The location of this church, which stands right in front of Istiqlal Mosque, reflects Indonesia's diversity and tolerance. The main entrance of the cathedral is facing to the west, and the architecture is in the neo-Gothic style. Inside the cathedral, there are 3 altars: the altar of Saint Mary, the altar of Saint Joseph, and a main cross of Jesus and the tabernacle.
Kosakata.
Vocabulary.
Bahkan.
Even. Even.
Harap tenang. Harap tenang.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Pendeta. Pendeta.
Father. Father.
Pagi. Pagi.
Morning. Morning.
Lagi pula. Lagi pula.
Besides. Besides.
Kebaktian. Kebaktian.
Service. Service.
Mulai. Mulai.
To start, to begin. To start, to begin.
Balkon. Balkon.
Balcony. Balcony.
Contoh kalimat.
Sample sentences.
Bahkan di hari Minggu, dia berangkat kerja. Bahkan di hari Minggu, dia berangkat kerja.
Even on Sunday, he goes to work. Even on Sunday, he goes to work.
Filmnya akan segera mulai, harap tenang. Filmnya akan segera mulai, harap tenang.
The movie will start soon. Please be quiet. The movie will start soon. Please be quiet.
Pendeta Benyamin seorang lulusan sekolah teologi Malang. Pendeta Benyamin seorang lulusan sekolah teologi Malang.
Father Benjamin graduated from Malang Theological School. Father Benjamin graduated from Malang Theological School.
Saya bangun jam 6 setiap pagi. Saya bangun jam 6 setiap pagi.
I wake up every morning at 6 o'clock. I wake up every morning at 6 o'clock.
Dia sangat sibuk, lagi pula dia tidak mengenalmu. Dia sangat sibuk, lagi pula dia tidak mengenalmu.
He's very busy, besides he barely knows you. He's very busy, besides he barely knows you.
Kebaktian di gereja Katolik biasanya diselenggarakan di hari Minggu. Kebaktian di gereja Katolik biasanya diselenggarakan di hari Minggu.
The service in the Catholic Church is usually held on Sunday. The service in the Catholic Church is usually held on Sunday.
Wayang itu mulai. Wayang itu mulai.
The shadow play has begun. The shadow play has begun.
Apartemen itu memiliki balkon kecil. Apartemen itu memiliki balkon kecil.
The apartment has a small balcony. The apartment has a small balcony. Vocabulary phrase usage.
Lagi pula. Lagi pula.
Can be translated as also or besides. It functions as correlative conjunction. The term expresses parallelism, such as in the sentence.
Aku senang membeli buku di toko buku ini, koleksinya lengkap lagi pula selalu ada diskon. Aku senang membeli buku di toko buku ini, koleksinya lengkap lagi pula selalu ada diskon.
I like to buy books in this bookstore. It has a complete book collection and also always gives a discount. I like to buy books in this bookstore. It has a complete book collection and also always gives a discount. Mulai. Mulai can be translated as to start or to begin. For example,
Mulai minggu depan, aku akan ke Jakarta. Mulai minggu depan, aku akan ke Jakarta.
Starting from next week, I'm leaving for Jakarta. Starting from next week, I'm leaving for Jakarta.
Mulai hari ini, aku akan lebih giat belajar. Mulai hari ini, aku akan lebih giat belajar.
Starting from today, I'm going to study harder. Starting from today, I'm going to study harder.
Harap tenang. Harap tenang.
Is an imperative sentence that comes from the word
Harap
meaning to hope or to expect, and
tenang.
meaning quiet. There are many ways to express the phrase, be quiet, such as jangan berisik, which literally means, don't be noisy, or be silent please. For example,
Ibu sedang tidur, harap tenang. Ibu sedang tidur, harap tenang.
Mother is sleeping, please be quiet. Mother is sleeping, please be quiet.
Cakapan.
Conversation.
Aku lebih suka kita ke gereja di pagi hari. Aku lebih suka kita ke gereja di pagi hari.
I'd prefer we go to church in the morning. I'd prefer we go to church in the morning.
Maaf, aku terlambat bangun, lagi pula kita bisa mengikuti kebaktian sore sesekali saja. Maaf, aku terlambat bangun, lagi pula kita bisa mengikuti kebaktian sore sesekali saja.
I'm sorry for waking up late. Besides, we've attended the afternoon service just once or twice. I'm sorry for waking up late. Besides, we've attended the afternoon service just once or twice.
Aku tidak tahu kalau orang lebih banyak mengikuti kebaktian sore. Aku tidak tahu kalau orang lebih banyak mengikuti kebaktian sore.
I don't know if more people are attending the afternoon service. I don't know if more people are attending the afternoon service.
Pendeta sudah datang, kita akan mulai kebaktiannya. Pendeta sudah datang, kita akan mulai kebaktiannya.
Here comes the Father, we'll start the service. Here comes the Father, we'll start the service.
Bahkan tempat duduk di balkon terisi penuh. Bahkan tempat duduk di balkon terisi penuh.
Even the balcony seats are fully occupied. Even the balcony seats are fully occupied.
Sit, harap tenang. Sit, harap tenang.
Shoo, be quiet. Shoo, be quiet.
Ops, maaf. Ops, maaf.
Oops, sorry. Oops, sorry.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.